Crazy Mike, CrazyMikesApps.com with an iPad app demo for My First App Vehicles by App Media. This application is in the games category, is iOS Universal, working on the iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad, all for only $1.99. This colorful, interactive picture application introduces young kids to a variety of vehicles through 3 amusing and animated game activities. Here's the opening screen. You can see some cool corrugated artwork in the background in a funky car with a dog driving. Below there you see the 3 icons for the activities. This application is made with toddlers and preschoolers in mind, so reading skills aren't required. Let's tap on the puzzle portion of the first activity. The artwork is awesome and is very appropriate for this game. Scroll through here and you can see a variety of puzzles, actually not puzzles but images that can be puzzles. Let's do one of my favorite. Of course, my favorite would be the police car. We can tap on the little setting up at the top. You can change the puzzle from 2 pieces to 9 pieces. Your call, we'll do 6. And these are also important. These 2 different icons will determine how the puzzle pieces are used. The one setting I believe that we have it on is more for developing motor skills, and I'll show you that. So we tap on here, tap again, and it breaks the puzzle into pieces. Now we don't have it where you have to turn the pieces. We actually just need to drag the piece into the correct area, and once we do that, we're going to help solve our puzzle, and at the end we're rewarded with a clown blowing a horn, which was really pretty cool. Now let's pick one other puzzle and I'll show you something different. Tap there, we'll do 9 pieces this time. Tap off of here, and now we need to actually turn the puzzle pieces. Tap on here, tap again, and the puzzle is thrown around, or the pieces are anyways. Now you need to actually turn the pieces before you can drag them into the right spot, and I'm not sure if that's the right spot, but let's try it. Looks like it's working. And again, you just need to be a little diligent and turning the pieces themselves and putting them where they go. So this is going to help develop some motor skills, some fine motor skills with children, which is really pretty neat. I like the artwork. The music is very soothing and appropriate. There's our clown with the blow of the horn, and that is the way the puzzle portion of this application works. Lots of different vehicles to do that with. In the upper right, you can turn the sound off if you so choose. Tap the arrow, head back to the main screen, and tap on the next activity, which is a matching activity. No other settings here, but we can turn the sound back on. The object here is to try to figure out, no, that doesn't look like that matches. That looks like half a tractor and half a fire truck, so that's not going to work. That's a spaceship, I'm pretty sure. Here we go. So once we get that, we're going to get a really cool animation. Not so sure cows are always driving tractors, but in this case, that's what happens. And you can go through here, and once you find the match to your vehicle, you'll get an animation that rewards the child, which is quite entertaining to say the least. Head back out of there and we'll check out the last activity, which is going to be a pinball activity. Now, I'm going to pick up the iPad 2 that I'm using here, and we'll pick, let's pick the street cleaner here. Tap on there, and we get a little pinball thrown out at us, and the next thing we want to do is try to use the accelerometer to get that pinball into one of the holes, and once you do, you're going to get an animation. You'll get another pinball, and you keep on going through to try to complete all of them. The elephant there is helping in the street cleaning process, obviously. I think the cat's got something to do with it, but I'm guessing we got to get the last pinball into the hole there. Once you do, the real street cleaning gets done, and that is how that works. That is a fun part of this game, and again, that's going to help develop some fine motor skills by requiring kids to navigate that pinball into the correct whole to make an animation occur. 3 different activities for kids to get and to learn about vehicles, fun animations, as well as some activities that are appropriate for young kids. Tap on the eye in the upper right and you can see the credits and all the folks that put the hard work into this application. That's it for this iPad app demo. Until next time, this has been Crazy Mike from Crazy Mike's Apps saying see ya.